video you're about to watch is part 2 of probably about a 10-part series. This video is an entire time lapse of me moving over 1.5 inches, resetting and reinstalling kitchen cabinets. This is where the sink is going to go in the apartment remodel. When we first set them the first time, the countertop and the stove, there was like a 3-inch gap between them, and I could just see people dropping spoons and spatulas and everything else in there, so we had to fix that. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions. This is the first of many, and not only in construction videos, but hopefully some more just regular vlog videos. We're going to be closing on our first investment property within the next couple weeks if everything goes well. So there's going to be a lot of content out of that. All right, making some progress here. Almost done setting these cabinets. Just wanted to share a quick tip on how I get this done pretty efficiently and quickly. I'm setting cabinets, better use shims. All shims, whether you buy them pre-cut or you cut your own, they come thicker on one side and then thinner on the other. So some houses are pretty level, some. You don't have to worry about it. If not, if you're in an older house like we're in now, you're gonna have to do a lot of leveling out. So to make life easier, make setting the cabinets pretty quick, you're gonna take out 2 shims, you're gonna flip them so that the thick end of one matches up with the thin end of the other, and vice versa. Thick end of this one matches up with the thin end of this one. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure, well, at least I do, thick end on the bottom. Slide that one in. This would go in like this. And then you go thick end on top as far as you can go in. so it's just snug. And then from there, you're setting the level up on top of the counter, watching this thing, and you're just going back down to here, making incremental adjustments by pulling this, keeping this one stable, pulling the bottom one out till you get to where you need to go. Obviously, if it's got to go lower, you push this in. If it's got to go higher, you pull this bottom one out. That raises it up. That lowers it down. That way raises it up. Lower, higher. Lower, higher.
Let's get there. Good.
3 hours later.
Alright, just wanted to share a quick update on the rental property remodel. Almost on the finishing stretch here of the kitchen. Got the upper cabinets hung, base cabinets set, countertop cut and set. Do have to cut out this sink and set that. Also do some plumbing underneath here. Try to make a cool YouTube video out of that potentially in the future. All new flooring. Those are the existing upper cabinets. Customer wanted to keep those. And then we still got some trim and cord around throughout the apartment, but almost done. Home stretch. And then onto this room.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
No.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
No.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just